What up. Welcome once again to my channel. Today we're gonna look at how to rotate CD in Adobe After Effects. Without wasting my time, let's go. Hello guys. Open After Effects. Create new composition. Let's name it round CD. Round CD. Round CD. Set your rate to 1920 and height to 1080. Duration to 10 seconds. Okay, click OK. Left click on the empty area and create a new solid layer. You can make it red or you can change the color to something else, red, yellow, green, or whatever. Let's keep our eyes red and make your style the same as the composition you did. Press OK and set for gradient map. Sorry, I was using it to my CSO. Set for gradient ramp and place it on top of the red solid layer we just created. Um, I have my color codes here, so let me use E. Now you can choose yours. So yeah, I have my color codes here, which I normally use for my green. You get me? So I have my color codes. You can choose yours. It's not compulsory to follow my my steps. You get me? So you can choose yours. Set here to the radial ramp and set the scatter to 300. You can scale it. What do you want? Sorry. So this is cool. I think this is cool. So let's get to our podium. Sorry. Let's import our what we're gonna use for the rotation. This is the CDP. I'm importing one which I edited in Adobe Photoshop. After you do everything, you need to save as a PSD file. So I did that. So let's import. So here's it. Here's it. You can scale it a little bit by pressing on the keyboard S. Sorry guys. You can position it. Sorry. And the CD here. But before that, you need to place the CD under the subject so that it will make sense. You get me? So let's pre-compose it with left click here on your mouse, pre-compose, move all. Don't forget to press this, move all attributes into a new composition. Sorry my voice. So let's name it subject. Like okay, let's name it cover art. Let's name it cover art. So don't forget to place like press OK and do same to the CD. Move out from it. Let name is CD. Yeah. So now the anchor point is at the middle. So you need to move it to the CD at the center of the CD again. So let's zoom in so you can see what I'm trying to talk about. So right, sorry guys. Sorry guys. Let me zoom out for you to see the position of the because I'm not getting it. So let's go with a little bit. So the cover art must get closer to the CD to make it look catchy. You get me? So the cover art must get close to the CD and the CD to the so it's just catchy. Do it as you want. So I'm trying to figure out something. You get me? Do it as what we want. So now I think it's better now. Yeah. So now let's zoom in and let me talk about what I was trying to figure out. So the CD, press R on your keyboard. Press the anchor point. Press here or press on Y on your keyboard. Press the anchor point in the middle of the CD. So you can play something like this. Sorry, say something. Make sure you place your anchor point in the middle. Okay, zoom in. Let me zoom in. Let me zoom in a little bit so you can see what I'm talking about. So make sure you place your anchor point in the middle so that there will not be balance in the rotation. You get me? So let me place it. Let me place it well. I think this is better now. Let's zoom out. So now Alt click here and type in time. Place is a small letters, not capital letters. Times that 90. Now you go to go. So you see the rotation here. Now it begins to rotate. If you want it in the speed way, you can change the 90 to 150 as much as you want. So let's see something. You see now it go faster as the 90. So now I think that's it. And that's it. Cool. It's a nice video, okay. And let's scale it a little bit. Sorry. Let's make it like that. Now you can see it begins to rotate. Let's create something. Let's pre-compose everything. Let's make it X. Let's zoom out, and now we can scale it a little bit. Now we need to press shift. Sorry. Let's scale it a little bit. Press S on your keyboard. Can scale it. Cool. That's cool. Cool. Nice. Okay. Let's leave it like that. So now we have our rotation CD, but let's look like it. It seems it's not mature. So let me make press P on your keyboard to bring the position. You can place your make a keyframe here at 0 and press it back to be something something like this, so that it will come from the left to the center again. So here's it. Go, select all the keyframes and left click, press easy ease. So you can go to your graph menu and make it smoother as we want. Make it smooth as you want by just clicking on it. So I'm making it smooth as I want. So here's it. Seems it's not smooth as I want. Cool, nice. Thanks for watching. This is Mendel TV. Thanks for watching once again. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks.